Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least 4,000 naira to 23,000 naira every blessed day with your smartphone simply by doing some certain things online or on this application. This is the easiest and the laziest way anyone can make money online with smartphone. I want you to know that if you have a smartphone today, you can use your smartphone to make money simply by doing promotion online. If you have laptop, I want you to know that you can make money online today with your laptop simply by doing promotion online. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you all that. If you have never made money online before, then after watching this video, you should be able to make money online. I'm also going to show you guys the payment proof and everything you need to know about this platform and how people are making money with it. And I'm also making this video in respective of one of my member that made this money this afternoon. As you can see, I'm recording this video exactly 2:44 2:44 p.m. As you can see, this is still afternoon. So this lady made this money online on this application, and I'm so glad that I'm posting about it because it gives me joy whenever I post something and people are making money from that thing that I posted from my update. Okay, I will show you guys everything and how she was able to make this money. The minimum amount you can actually make every blessed day, if you are taking it very serious, is 4,500 naira. And I will also enlighten you guys on how you can also go about it and then start making this money with your smartphone. Even if you are a student, it will be easier for you. If you are a student, if you are in secondary school, if you are in university, this update is meant for you to give you daily bread. Okay, before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I'm doing on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on how to make money online with your smartphone. So for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with money making updates. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. So if you're interested in joining this update, where you can see the link to join is only in our WhatsApp group. That is where the link is made available. But if you are not if you are in my WhatsApp group already, please don't join again. Whatever I post in group 1 is what I post in group 2, and whatever I post in group 2 is what I post in group 1. So if you're in my WhatsApp group, no need, because you joining is occupying space for others. Okay, so make sure to join our WhatsApp group so that you can get started with this update. That's if you have the interest on joining us in making this money online. Okay, so the name of this application is known as Me Pass or MEC. Okay, for those of you who is watching this video, you may be talking about or maybe thinking that I'll be posting about this update. Yes, that is the reason why I'm called the Legit Boss, because if I see anything that is legit, I will continue to post about that thing. About that thing. We have billions of people on YouTube every day, and this update get to you does not mean it has gotten to others. So if you have seen the update before and they are not taking it serious, this video is meant to motivate you to take it serious. And then if you are hearing about this particular update for the first time, then you should take action and then start making money for yourself. And what's sweet about this thing is that it is totally free, no investment, 100% legit. Okay, so what do you do on this platform to make money? It is simple. Before I proceed to explain, now this platform known as MEC is actually an airdrop. You can actually accumulate this MEC token we are seeing here. This MEC token, when you accumulate it, you can sell it instantly and you can choose to keep it when they are going to list. They have been existing for over 1 year now, and we cannot predict their listing year or the even listing date. So that is it. If they are going to list, we don't know. If they are not going to list, we don't know. But the actual truth is that you can make money now. When you accumulate this token, you sell it to online vendors. Now there are a lot of scammers online. You can send it to them, they will run away with your MEC. So that is the reason why I kept huge amount of money and I have been using it to buy it from my members, from my community. So if you accumulate this MEC, you have it, I will buy it from you. Do you understand? So that you will not fall victim into the hands of scam vendors online. So now this lady messaged me this afternoon that she wanted to say her MEC, and I was happy. I asked her how many MEC. She said 5.2 MEC. So when you click on record, you will see this option. You will see the MEC I received this afternoon. So let's check exactly the time. You can see it here. That is 2:13 p.m. So you can see it here, 0.5 MEC. And then when we did the calculation, the amount resulted as 23,400 naira. As we can see here on our calculator, you can see it here, 23,400 naira. That was the amount this lady received this afternoon from my hand. Okay, so I paid her this amount. And now, how was she able to make this money? That is the question we should be asking ourselves now. It's simple. Now, when you join MEC, the first thing you need to do, you have to verify that you are a real human being, that you are not a robot, before you can start making money on this platform. The way you make money on this platform, there are 3 ways you can make money on this platform. The number 1 way is to invite your friends, and for anybody you invite on this platform, you are getting 0.1 meg, and this 0.1 meg is 450 naira. You can see how I times it here. You can see it here. 450 naira. Any amount of meg, like anybody that join your link, you are getting 0.1 meg, and that 0.1 meg is 450 naira if you are selling it in naira. So this one you are seeing here under my staking, you can't count it among. It's not among. It is the one that you invite friends that will be recorded for you here. And then this one, daily check-in here, according to the news, by 16 it will start working. However, we don't know. So the option you use to earn is to promote. That's why I say you earn by promoting. If you're a student, you can meet your friends and family, tell them about this platform. This is a Web3 project. This is a drop. It is totally free. All you need to do, the first thing you need to do when you register is to click on Me ID. When you click on Me ID, they will ask you to do a verification. You see the option verify now. And then when you are verifying, you need to be very careful. You need to read the instruction they give to you. They're going to ask you to do your face verification. Please take note, you cannot earn on this platform if you are not a verified user. Okay? You have to verify that you are a human being, that you are not a robot. Now they'll ask you to do face verification. When you are putting your face on the camera, take a look down on the cycle, below the cycle where your face is showing. You will see they will say blink your eye. They will say open your mouth. They will say close your eyes. They will say open your mouth. Just nod your head. Make sure you do it exactly. If you do it within 10 minutes, you'll be verified. And you only have one chance to try that face verification. The moment you fail the face verification, they will now ask you to submit your proof of identity, that you are a human being, that you are not a robot. That is when you will now start submitting your NIN, your voter's card, and the rest of them. But if you get it at that first time, that first verification, like me, within 10 minutes, I was verified on this platform the day I started this platform earlier this month. Okay? And I was verified within 10 minutes. So that is it. When you're verified, you need to be very careful. Now, the easiest way to earn money on this platform is by inviting friends. Now, why am I saying easiest way? Count it like this. If you invite 5 friends, that is 2,250. Take note, if you invite 5 friends, 5 of your friends, if 5 of your friends register on this platform known as MEC, you are going to get 2,250. And then you can invite you now invite 10 friends. That is 4,500 naira. You see, 4,500 naira for free. All you just by doing promotion. This thing is just like Pampe Refer and End program. Pampe Refer and End program. Those of you that knows Pampe, I am so happy. I was even among those who participated in Pampe Refer and End program. When you refer friends and family on Pampe application as of that time, you will be given 500 naira for anybody you refer. I was among those who benefited. And then this one again, Me Pass or MEC. For anybody you invite, now you'll be giving 450. Imagine you reach out to 10 friends. That is 4,500 naira you are going to receive. All for free, no investment, stress-free. But please take note that before you receive it, those your friends invited, they have to verify that they are human being. Once they verify the identity with their face, then the money will be given to you. As simple as that, totally free. Okay, now I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. If you are interested, you can join our WhatsApp group to get started. Okay, it is totally free, guys. If it is not real, if it is not legit, I will not post it on this channel. As you all know me, that is why I am called Legit Boss. If anything is a scam, I tell you it's a scam. If something is legit, I tell you it's legit. This particular update is 100% legit and paying currently. So anybody who is interested in making money online can actually join this platform and then earn money from the comfort of your home for free. Thank you for watching this video. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel or first time you're hearing my voice, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button, show on your screen, and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified on daily basis with money making updates. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. Share this video to friends and family so that they will also know they can make money online with their smartphone. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.